Have you ever pondered the unthinkable? The sun, the very core of our solar system, colliding with the Earth? It's a cataclysmic event that would forever alter the fabric of our universe. But what exactly would happen in this hypothetical scenario? Picture the sun, a life-sustaining star, exhausting its nuclear fuel and undergoing an immense gravitational collapse. It transforms into a dense white dwarf, about the size of Earth. This once radiant star, now a compact remnant, exerts an overwhelming gravitational pull that draws our planet towards it. As Earth is pulled closer, our protective blue skies start to disappear. The gravitational forces at play tear away at our atmosphere, causing a surreal dance of particles. The Earth, as we know it, starts to change as the cosmic forces reshape its very essence. The inevitable collision with the sun brings about a transformation of epic proportions. The continents are reshaped, the oceans boil away, and the surface of the Earth is scorched and forever altered by this cosmic encounter. It's a truly unimaginable scenario. This hypothetical event serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that exists within our solar system. The intricate dance of celestial bodies, all held in place by gravity, is what allows life to exist on Earth. In exploring this cosmic what-if, we're reminded of the importance of understanding and appreciating the delicate balance that exists in our universe. It's a testament to the power of scientific curiosity and the role of imagination in expanding our understanding of the cosmos. In conclusion, the hypothetical collision of the Earth and the Sun offers a thought-provoking exploration into the unimaginable. It provides a deeper appreciation for the delicate cosmic dance that sustains life and prompts us to marvel at the complex balance of our celestial neighborhood.